Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Northeast Students Organization hapok jinyalam jong chairman uba Samuel B. Jerwa lembat ka Sengi Samla Pule Khasi Students Union hapok jinyalam jong Samla Donald V. Thaba kila Leit Ïashim lang Shaka Rally kapala penyai da ka All Assam Students Union kapala Pynlong hal Latasil Ground Guwahati haka singi balang jong tayo ka arfulai tarik ukalalengkot la senran lang ya ka kanhun jong neso da Secretary General Usinam Prakash Palat san pawajar ngut ki paiba na kaleng saudong ka jela Assam kilaya tuit syakane ka lumpung ban Pyrshah ya ka jingtmu jong ka sarkar keme ban Pynlong ain ya ka Citizenship Amendment Bill arajar khatn rio ki ba kentup ya lai tali ki seng ki ba mi khmat ya ki jaj rio trai muluk ka Assam kum ki Karbi Students Association ki Motok Chutia Dimasa Mishing All Bodo Students Union bat kiwei Hagani ka jinyalang kapala penyai dau Dipankar Nath, Presiden ka AASU, baro ki nongyalam seng bahalang bakentup yau Chairman board Secretary General ka Neso, kumjuru yau Dr. Samujal Bhattacharya, Advisor jong ka Neso, u General Secretary ka AASU, u Lorin Jyoti Gogoi, u Samla Donald B. Thaba, General Secretary ka KSU, u Pramod Boro, President ka All Bodo Students Union, bat kiwei.
The NESO, along with its constituent organization, have been fighting against this bill since 2006, and the movement grew stronger and stronger in this year when there was a proposal by the government to pass the bill in the Lok Sabha, which they did in the 8th of January. Since then, emotions and sentiments have been on the rise on the indigenous people of Northeast India. I agree with the statement of the Secretary General of NESO that the statement whereby the Union Home Ministry issued that the bill won't be effective in each state without the consent of that particular state. It is very much unlikely that a bill which becomes an act through Parliament cannot be implemented in a state. I appeal to the people of Assam. When I say the people of Assam, I don't mean the illegal Bangladeshi immigrants who are settling in every nook and corner of Assam, but I'm considering the indigenous people of Assam like the Assamese, the Bodos, the Rabhas, the Mishings, and the others. The statement which was shallowed, I would like to tell you that yes, we, the entire Northeast region, have been forced to submit into the Indian dominion. We became Indian by force. Instead of appealing the indigenous people of Northeast, who are also the indigenous people of India, they are appealing the immigrants from Bangladesh. While I was standing in the corner in this field, I was thinking to myself that yes, the Citizenship Amendment Bill brought us all up together. We were talking about the 1.40 crores Bangladeshi Hindus who might come into Northeast if this bill is passed. But behind that, before these people come to Northeast if the bill is passed, there are also illegal Bangladeshis who have settled in each and every part of Northeast India. I was born in the quiet town of Shillong. When the Bangladeshi Liberation War ended in 1971, the then central government under Indira Gandhi gave them a land in Shillong, which is known as refugee colony, for the Bangladeshi refugees to reside in Shillong. When they came, they first came in a small number. After that, they brought their relatives, they brought their friends from Bangladesh, and that area where they're residing has now become a Bangladeshi colony. And when they have grew in number, they start challenging the indigenous people, that is the Khasis. And a communal riot broke out in 1979, where a number of people were murdered, a number of people were displaced, curfew was imposed. We don't want such things to happen to us. I would like to thank the All Assam Students Union for allowing me to speak on behalf of the Khasi Students Union. The Khasi Students Union will always be with the All Assam Students Union and the indigenous communities of Assam. Long live all Assam Students Union. Long live the indigenous people of Assam. Long live the revolution. Thank you very much.